A dashboard camera can give you peace of mind in your car. Most are designed to film the road ahead, but more and more drivers want to record behind their vehicle too. This guide explains what you need to know about front and rear dashcams. Front and rear dashcams include two devices, one facing forwards and the other to film behind your car. By law, the front camera must be fitted behind the rearview mirror, so it's in the centre of your windscreen, not blocking your line of sight. The back camera should be placed on your rear windscreen, with a decent view of the road. Unlike front-facing models, there's no law around exactly where it should be mounted. But if you're unsure, it's cheap and easy to have it installed by a professional. Both units are connected with a cable, which you'll need to trail around the edge of your car's interior. This constant connection ensures video and audio are always synchronised between the two devices. You'll be able to play both back side by side without delays. Dashcams bought separately don't have this advantage. Every front and rear combo we've tested has significantly worse quality footage in the back-facing camera than the main. Plus, expect to pay a considerable amount more for the privilege of the dual-camera setup. While the added coverage of twin cameras can come in handy, especially if your parked car's hit from behind, a rear camera is only really useful if an incident happens behind you. In most cases, a solo front-facing camera will capture most things that affect you. For more expert advice guides and top tips on buying the best device, visit which.co.uk/dashcams.